終於揾到你啦！離開地球就靠你啦！咁埋我，好嘢，返火星啦！
你唔使交稿，
等我1年啦。
呢位伯伯叫阿 Kent， 佢係北歐 Tree Hotel 嘅創辦人。原本開公司經營釣魚團嘅佢，因為睇咗一部講雪嘅紀錄片《The Tree Lover》，2008年嗰陣就忽發奇想，邀請咗幾位本地建築師朋友喺佢買落嘅呢一片樹林入邊，一齊設計同埋起咗7間樹屋做酒店。
I have a tree house when I was young. I love it because you have a special freedom.
Yeah, you got a bag package that you can use to rearrange your bags to get up in the UFO.
哇，超方便啊！簡單，好正啊！我覺得入到嚟 Tree Hotel 咧，一個好特別嘅體驗就係你要享受蕩失路嘅樂趣。咁我哋一路行一路要揸住張地圖去真係揾路咁樣啦。我覺得我呢條梯可以玩1晚，好勁！其實咧係好安全嘅，因為你收咗條梯之後咧就冇賊上到嚟噶啦。好搖啊！其實呢間房咧設備好簡單嘅啫，有4張床，跟住呢度有張主人床啦。咁我梗係瞓呢張啦，因為有好正嘅星空主題嘅床單。呢度其實係沖唔到涼，只係得個馬桶同埋一個洗手嘅地方。我哋平時係要落去一個桑拿房嗰度先可以沖涼嘅。
We decide when we start, we want to have a sustainable, eco-friendly hotel. There are incineration toilets. It means they work with electricity and burn everything inside. So in the end, it's only a smell-free ash. And this ash is just minerals. You can put them in the nature and it's even grow up there. We also tell them that you should do something or work together with the nature. And then they do a mirror house, so the nature reflecting everything. This is the tree who holding up the room. It's only one. He is 100-year-old. Every person who coming in must talk to the tree, be kind to the tree and really take care of it. They are hanging in living tree. We set a metal bracket around the tree front. Tree grow every year in one ring, a couple of millimeters. Then we adjust and open so we don't kill the tree. You can put a weight of 20 tons on one tree, so they are really strong. And you have on the top is a roof terrace open to the sky, and from inside out you can see like a window. When we start to think about to make the rooms, we think what is the most common you can find in the forest. That's obvious at bird's nest, that could be normal. I'm responsible for that, so I check every year this. If a tree gets sick, normally it's a process of 10 to 20 years before the tree fall off. So we have a lot of time to find the solutions. When we do this room, it takes only 1 day to attach the room to the tree. So it could take 2 days to take it out and move to another tree.
夜晚嘅 UFO 仲靚啊！我想瞓覺啦。